In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use Turnitin in Moodle to scan student papers and detect GPT or AI-generated content. So we have this course here in Moodle, and the first thing we need to do is turn editing on it. Then we scroll down here and we have these various activities in this. And typically you have assignments similar to this, where the student receives the prompts for the assignment and then they submit it for grading. Instead of using this type of assignment, as an instructor, you can use Turnitin. And to do that in Moodle, you can click here and add an activity or a resource, and then select Turnitin Assignment 2. Then give it a name, and then if you're using this platform, the Turnitin platform, to also do the grading, you can post in there the assignment requirements. Then you can control various settings. However, under the grade area, this is where you can control whether you want the grade from Turnitin to show up in the grade book. If you're going to grade it in Turnitin and there are some additional advantages for this, then obviously you want to leave this enabled. If you're using it just for scanning assignments, but you're going to post your feedback and the grade in the traditional assignment in Moodle, then you want to turn this off, this setting off here. So for now, I'll leave it on because it's part of additional videos for this tutorial. I'll demonstrate how to do grading also via Turnitin. Further down here, you can specify which category in the gradebook, provided you have the gradebook set up. Then you specify the various due dates when this particular assignment is going to be due for the students. You can specify what you want to check against, whether other papers, student papers, against the internet, journals and publications, but you can also exclude, and I do suggest that you exclude the bibliography and you exclude the quoted materials as well from the scores. You can also specify if there are few words, for example, 5 words that match, then you can exclude a particular number of words from the grading. Under the grade mark area, if you're going to grade this assignment via Turnitin, you can also utilize a rubric for the grading of this particular assignment. And then these additional options, these are typically standard with Moodle. At this point, we simply click on Save and Return to the course. Now the students will see this assignment and they'll click on it, and then they'll see the requirements for the assignment, and then they'll have options to upload it. Now you as the instructor have access to all the students in the course. The student themselves will have access to only their own upload area. In the next segment, I will demonstrate how the students upload their assignment to Moodle for Turnitin scanning. That's how you create a Turnitin assignment in e-learning. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.